how to set email alias on Outlook. So just go ahead into your Outlook account, of course, log in, do that process. Then once you're in your main dashboard, you should be able to see your profile over here. You can't really see the color right now, change the red. Then once you open this up, you'll be able to see the My Microsoft account. Just go ahead and enter or press on that with your left button. Then you're gonna go into this section, just go ahead into the your info. Then once you're there, navigate to the profile info. Then you should see the edit profile info option. At this point, you're gonna have to verify yourself, of course, for a bit of security reasons. So make sure you have everything ready. But once you finish the process of verifying yourself, you'll be able to enter this section. Basically manage how you sign into Microsoft. At the bottom, you'll be able to see your account aliases. So you can remove the ones you already have for some reason. And you can add an email or a phone number. Once you add the email or phone number, it will count as your account aliases. But that is pretty much how you add aliases in your Outlook. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.